I got these pee pads, and they're actually so adorable. They're bright. I don't know if the camera's going to show them as bright as they are, but they're really pretty, almost like a baby blanket in a way. They're quilted nice. I did pour water. I did pour water in the middle of this one just to see if it really is waterproof or just water resistant. It is waterproof. I poured a good amount right in here, and I poured it pretty much on one square. It did wick out from there, which is, you know, what you want. You don't want it like pulled up. So it quilted. It's quilted, so it does feel a little bit dry. Not quite. I mean, you know, it's pee pad, but it's not like soaking wet because of it spreading out. But the back is 100% waterproof, or pee proof in this case. So they get a good star. They get 5 stars for me. It came with 2 colors, the ones I have. One's gray, really cute. One's baby blue, really cute. But they're great. They're soft, quilted, nice. There you go.
So I just want to do a really quick review on these washable puppy pads. Although they can be used for any animal really, they're really absorbent, and they are great for my needs because I'm going to use them in a whelping box. My dog's pregnant and will have her puppies in about 3 weeks, so they're absolutely ideal for that. It means that they can literally be popped straight in the washing machine, washed on a low heat wash, and then air dried, popped on the line. They wash quickly and they dry fast, so they're ideal to swap in and out. As far as puppies go, when they're walking on them, they've got this nice texture, so they're not going to slip on it, and the mat itself has got a non-slip back as well to it, so it stays in place. So I definitely recommend these. I've got the larger size in them, with the in the grey. They are as pictured, and I'm really happy with them, so I hope that this review helps you.
Prize. Very nice. Seem to be very well made. Yep, I think they'll be perfect pads for my little puppies.